Hello everyone, this is K.Naga Suresh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Aditya University. Today we are going to discuss about projections of lines in engineering graphics. This is the learning outcomes. Draw the projections of lines in different positions by using AutoCAD software and solve the simple problem related to the projections of lines. So first of all, before going to discuss about what is the meaning of projections of lines. So projections of lines is the method of representing the position of a line in space with respect to principal planes of projection. So principal planes of projection means horizontal plane HP and vertical plane VP by drawing its front view and top view. So this is a simple problem. Draw the line which is inclined at 30 degrees to VP and it is parallel to 20 mm above the HP. Its one end 20 mm in front of VP. The length of the line is 75 mm. Here they are given a straight line. It is inclined with one plane and parallel to another plane. So here the lines, projections of lines are having four conditions. So that is first condition, line parallel to both reference planes, that is HP and VP. And second condition, the line parallel to or the line inclined or the line, second condition is the line perpendicular to one plane and parallel to another plane. For example, if it is a perpendicular to HP means it is parallel to VP, and it is perpendicular to VP means and it is in parallel to HP. That is nothing but second condition. It is perpendicular to one plane and parallel to another plane. That is the second condition in the projection of lines. And third condition, line inclined to one plane and parallel to another plane. And fourth condition, line inclined to both reference planes, that is HP and VP. Out of these four conditions, they are given it is inclined at 30 degrees to VP and parallel to HP, that is belongs to third condition, that is nothing but line inclined to one plane and parallel to another plane. So let's see the position in 3D representation of the plane. So this is the HP and this is VP. Yes. So the line is 75 mm long line. This is here there is a two types of visions are takes place. In one vision, that is nothing but true length, and another view it is appear like a apparent length. So here they are given true length in this problem 75 mm. This is nothing but true length. So it is 30 degrees to VP. So from VP it is having some inclination. This is 30 degrees. Yes, and it is parallel to HP. So what is the height? This is 20 mm and parallel to HP, and it's one end of the line. So the line is name is this is A and B, and one end of the line 20 mm in front of VP. This is the condition. When you observe the front view, in the front view the apparent length is appear. It will show like apparent length, and it in the top view the true length will be appear. Yes, in top view the entire true length is visible in front view. So it is having some compression length, that means the length of the line it will show like the length of the line is decreased. Yes, so in front view apparent length is visible, in top view true length is visible. Yes, in front view when we see the front view it is showing like parallel to horizontal plane with 20 mm. When we see the top view it will show the line, it will show like that it is inclined with 30 degrees with the VP. So draw the projection line, this is X and Y. So first we draw the true length. So in the true length it is available in top view, below the XY line top view is came, above the XY line front view is came. Yes, in top view, so draw the projection line, it is one end is 20 mm in front of VP. So draw the projection line. So this is A and draw the 75 mm true length. This is B with inclination phi 30 degrees. So, this is the true length, and project this line with projector line, project this point with projector line and draw the front view. In front view it is parallel to HP and 20 mm above HP. So, project these 2 points which is coming from top view and draw the line. This is the front view, apparent length we need to find out. So, this is A dash and this is B dash, and what is this distance? 20, and here what is this distance? 20. So, this is the answer. How this diagram is drawn in the AutoCAD we will discuss now. So, this is the AutoCAD interface. First we will do some screen settings. Units enter. So, precision 0.0 and identify whether it is millimeters is there or not, and click OK. And limits 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 enter. 0, 0 enter. 420, 297 enter. Z for zoom enter. A for all enter. And next one, take the line command and draw the one line. This is the projection line, and take the empty multi-text empty enter. Select one letter. The letter size is 3, and copy this letter CO enter. Copy this letter where you want to require it in the screen. This is X and this is Y. And so, first take the line command and draw the top view, and this is 20, and switch off the ortho mode F8, and first draw the length of the line. So, that is 75. Switch off the ortho mode. So, that is 75, and tab angle is 30 degrees. 30 enter. Yes, and take the projection line, take the line command and draw the line up to the reference line. This is the projector line or projector. Take the copy command CO enter and select this letter. So, this is A and this is B. So, this is B and this is A. And next one, put the dimension. So, this is 20. Yes. After that, mention the angle also. Draw the one line for mentioning the dimension and go to the annotation, take the angular, mention the dimensions also 30 degrees. After completion of that, draw the front view and draw the projection line 20. Again take the line command, draw the projection line for the front view 20. And take the again line command, draw the front view, okay, and mention the dimension, how much the answer is came 64.95. Observe that here the decimal separator is came, so like that comma, so change it into point. So, go to the D enter, D means dimension style manager, and modify, and here primary units decimal separator is in comma, change it into period and click OK, close. Yes. So, again mention the dimension in front view from here to here 20. So here our outputs are the lines. These are the outputs. We need to show the lines very bright. Okay, so that means increase the thickness of the output. Go to the PE, that is poly edit. PE, enter. Select this line, width 1. Again, double click on the enter button and go to the width 1. Okay, so this is the answer for this problem. So this is the front view. It is appear like a true length, and top view it is appear like a apparent length. And here also you can give the dimension for the top view also 75. Yes, so this is the problem we completed in AutoCAD. So today we are discuss what is the summary. Draw the projections of the lines in different positions by using AutoCAD, and simple problems on the projections of lines. Thank you everyone.